Production.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the Vehicle Exporter. In today's video, we're discussing the top 5 cars best suited for the Jamaican market in 2025 based on fuel efficiency, road conditions, spare part availability, and resale value.
Whether you're planning to import a car from Japan into Jamaica, or you're a local dealer looking for in-demand units, this guide is for you.
Let's start with the Toyota Probox, ranked at number 5. This car is one of the most popular choices for Jamaican drivers, known for its tough build, simple design, and easy maintenance. The Probox is ideal for both commercial work and everyday family use, especially in busy areas like Kingston and Montego Bay. Its parts are readily available, making repairs affordable and quick.
When it comes to importing costs, a Toyota Probox will generally land between 1.2 million and 1.8 million Jamaican dollars, depending on the year, mileage, and auction grade. If you're looking for a no-nonsense, reliable car to handle Jamaican roads, the Toyota Probox is a smart investment.
Next, at number 4, is the Nissan Note, a favorite for its compact size and excellent fuel efficiency. The Note is a top pick for city driving, offering great comfort and smart features in a small package. It's perfect for new drivers or returning residents who want something affordable yet stylish. The Nissan Note also stands out because of its affordable hybrid versions, which are growing in demand across Jamaica.
As for costs, you can expect to pay between 1.4 million and 2 million Jamaican dollars, including shipping and duties. The Note is a fantastic option for anyone looking to save on fuel while enjoying a comfortable ride.
Coming in at number 3, we have the Suzuki Swift, a sporty and agile hatchback that has captured the hearts of many young Jamaican drivers. The Swift offers a stylish design, nimble handling, and very good fuel economy, making it an ideal choice for urban life. It's also relatively low on maintenance, and spare parts are easy to find across Jamaica.
In terms of importing costs, a Suzuki Swift will usually land between 1.5 million and 2.2 million Jamaican dollars, depending on the model year and features. If you want a car that's fun to drive, affordable to own, and stands out in the crowd, the Suzuki Swift is a brilliant option.
At number 2, we have the Honda Fit, one of the most versatile and reliable cars you can import into Jamaica. The Fit offers a surprisingly spacious interior, excellent fuel economy, and a strong reputation for reliability. Hybrid versions are especially popular, giving you even better savings on fuel and maintenance. The Honda Fit is perfect for small families, first-time car owners, and anyone who values practicality.
The average landed cost for a Honda Fit ranges from 1.6 million to 2.3 million Jamaican dollars, depending on the model year and condition. For anyone looking for a smart, economical, and dependable vehicle, the Honda Fit is an unbeatable choice.
And finally, at number 1, the Toyota Axio, Jamaica's favorite imported sedan. The Axio is loved for its smooth ride, reliable engine, excellent fuel consumption, and high resale value. It's ideal for both city commutes and longer highway drives across the island. Many importers choose the Axio because parts are affordable and widely available, keeping maintenance costs low.
Depending on the grade and year, the Toyota Axio will generally cost between 1.8 million and 2.5 million Jamaican dollars, all fees included. If you want a car that is practical, comfortable, and holds its value, the Toyota Axio is the #1 pick.
And And that wraps up our list of the top 5 cars best suited for Jamaica in 2025.
Which car would you personally choose if you were importing today? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear your thoughts.
Also, stay tuned for our next exciting episode where we'll dive into the top 5 cars best suited for Barbados. And trust me, the list might surprise you. We'll reveal models that offer the best combination of performance, fuel economy, and low import duties for Barbados buyers.
If you have any questions about car shipping, import duties, or choosing the right car for Jamaica, drop your questions below. We reply to every comment. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video to help more people who are planning to import cars from Japan.
Until next time, safe driving and happy